Already, many of us are thinking about back to school. Now, you can help children smile while boosting your own smile. ABC News 4 expert Dr. Nicole Dahlkemper is here to tell us about Water's Edge Dentistry's annual backpack campaign. Hello, hello.
Hello, Tessa.
And this is your fourth one, right?
Yes, it is. It's our fourth year doing it.
And why did you start it in the first place?
We love doing community service at the office. Every employee at the office has a different cause that they like, and this is one to help out the kids just in our local communities.
And that would be the middle schools that you'll be servicing?
This year, yeah, we're helping the middle schools. We have lists of items to fill 2 backpacks with and to help out the kids that need it.
So that's what each person is, you're asking them to bring 2 backpacks, is that it?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, with our backpack drive, how it works is we have a list of items that need to be filled into the backpacks. When patients bring in 2 backpacks full of these items, then not only will they be helping kids in the community that really need it, but we will help them out by doing it free in-office whitening. And
that's really important too, because your smile is also very important, and that can really boost your self-esteem, right?
Oh, definitely. I see it every day. So your smile is one of the most important things you bring with you every day.
Exactly, especially if you do smile a lot, especially, you know, like in the business that we're in. So where can they pick up the list and see what they need to put in the backpacks and all of that, and where do they need to drop it off?
Okay, our office is located at 1203 Two Island Court. If you just call our office, you can either come by and pick it up, or we can email it to you. Number is 884-6166. And we can help you out with what exactly we need for these kids.
Okay, I know another question that I'm interested in finding out. The difference between at-home whitening kits and getting it professionally done in your office. What are some of the differences?
There's different ways. There's over-the-counter like Crest white strips and other products, but the ones that are in the office are just stronger. You get results a lot faster. There's some people are familiar with whitening trays that you take home every night and use, but what we're doing is an in-office whitening, which you can get up to 4 to 5 shades whiter in just an hour treatment. So usually it's $400, so it's a really good, we just think it's important to help these kids, so it's a good deal for everybody.
And of course, everyone, if they're interested, especially foremost, helping the community out, getting those backpacks. School's just around the corner and, you know, almost a month away or so. If they want to get more information about the teeth whitening, they'll call your office for that.
Yep, go to the website, get our information, and just call our front desk. They'll be happy to help. And last year we collected almost 100 backpacks, so that's our goal this year, at least 100.
And so what particular schools do you know that you will be servicing with the backpacks?
Well, last year, sometimes if we get calls from schools in need, we will, we're open to helping anybody, but last year we helped out Lang Middle School.
Okay. Alrighty.
Is the one that we did last year. So yeah, if any schools out there need help, please call us and we're willing to help them out too.
That's right. So help the kids with their smiles. Actually help the kids get ready for back to school.
Give them a smile.
Give them a smile, because now they're going to school prepared. And that really, you know, sets kids up really for, I think, for a successful school year, knowing that they're going there already prepared. And there we see your office right there with some of the backpacks that were already collected. And of course, it'll make you feel good to do something like that for the community.
Yeah, and it's so hard. Some families that have a lot of children, it gets expensive.
It does.
And it's just hard for, kids want to be prepared to go back to school, so I think it's a really good thing.
And I think really a new backpack always makes you feel great, and also a nice white smile will make you feel even better.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Nicole, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much, Tessa.
We do appreciate it.